Hello, guys. You must have seen many people who eat a lot of food, but have you ever heard about the world's biggest food eaters? In this video, I am going to tell you about the world's biggest food eaters who broke all the records of eating food. So let's start our countdown. Number 1, Olas, the chicken leg legend. You must have seen this guy eating leg pieces on social media. His name is Olas Kamathe. The whole world knows him by the name of chicken leg pieces. This guy became very viral on the internet for his leg piece eating videos, and now he eats everything from around the world. Just watching him eat will make anyone's hunger go away, but he loves food so much that he can easily eat 3 to 4 meals at once, and he doesn't even burp. In one of his videos, he won the challenge of eating 6 kilograms of Desi chicken, and once he even ate 8 kilograms of goat meat. The amazing thing is, he eats so much that after finishing his food, it looks like he didn't eat anything at all, and how he sleeps after eating that much food is fun to think about. This guy is the disaster of eating. Number 2, Sankit and Sagar, the dynamic duo. The YouTube channel you are watching is named Wake and Bite. It is run by 2 brothers, Sankit and Sagar, who live in India and do blogging as well as eating competitions. In one of their videos, they had a competition to eat 400 golgappas, the famous Indian street food, and you will be surprised to know that they finished 200 golgappas in less than half an hour. Not only this, but these guys can also eat 10 kilograms of mutton biryani at one time. They eat such heavy food that it looks like their stomach is never full. This guy eats spicy and oily food like it's nothing. With ease has garnered them a substantial fan base, and they continue to push the boundaries of competitive eating. It's amazing. Number 3, Mikakado Avocado, the mukbang phenomenon. An American YouTuber, you can tell by looking at his health and physique how much he must love food. But you will be surprised to know that he wasn't always like this. Born Nicholas Perry, Nikocado began his YouTube journey in 2014, initially focusing on vegan and lifestyle content. In 2016, he uploaded his first mukbang video on YouTube, and within just a week, it went viral. Back then, he was completely slim. But in his pursuit of fame on YouTube, he started eating a lot and his weight skyrocketed. Now, he eats from KFC, McDonald's, and all kinds of chicken fried items, just to name a few. Not only this, he can eat anything from around the world, and his noodles seem to be consumed as if they were the last noodles on Earth. He eats food so fast that it seems like he may very well die in just a few days. Number 4, RF Eating ASMR, the Pakistani food enthusiast. Hailing from Pakistan, RF Eating ASMR has gained attention for his impressive eating challenges. Another thing to note is that where a normal person can't even eat 1 pallet of rice, this guy, he eats 5 full pallets of rice and 1 entire goat curry in one sitting. He loves mutton curry so much that he can easily eat up to 5 kilograms of meat at a time, and even raw vegetables with chilies. And amazing thing is, he eats them like they're sweet. His videos offer a glimpse into the rich culinary traditions of Pakistan. RF Eating ASMR's content is characterized by its authenticity and focus on traditional Pakistani dishes. His ASMR-style videos emphasize the sounds of eating, providing a sensory experience. For his ability to consume large quantities of food has sparked discussions about appetite and metabolism, adding an educational aspect to his entertainment. This guy is truly incredible. Number 5, Sapatu Rahman. The Biryani King, this person you are seeing might look like someone who eats only once a week, has earned a reputation for his remarkable eating feats, particularly involving biryani. But you will be shocked to know that his body contains a full factory of food. This guy can eat 40 parathas with chicken curry for... He once won a challenge where he ate 10 kilograms of mutton biryani. Not only that, he can easily finish 12 kilograms of mutton curry in one sitting. In one of his videos he uploaded where he finished 10 large plates of mutton curry. Not only this, but once he finished 1 kilogram of biryani in just 1 minute. Number 6, Waqas Khalil, the Pakistani mukbang pioneer. This man you are seeing belongs to Dara Ghazi Khan in Pakistan. He looks completely normal, but once you know his reality, you will be amazed. He is a very famous YouTuber and has created a channel with his friend doing eating challenges. Khalil's channel serves as a platform to introduce international audiences to Pakistani cuisine. Did you know his channel is the first mukbang channel from Pakistan? Khalil's channel serves as a platform to introduce international audiences to Pakistani cuisine, and he can eat as much food as 10 people combined at one time. Although looking at his face and physique, you wouldn't guess how much he eats, but he is a huge food lover. He regularly uploads eating videos on his YouTube channel where he eats 20 to 30 sandwiches at once, along with pizzas, burgers, and fried chicken. The surprising thing is, after eating all of this, his stomach doesn't get upset. Number 7, Randy Santel, the professional eater. Usually bodybuilders always take care of their diet and normally stay away from fast food, but the person you are seeing here is completely opposite. This guy mostly only eats fast food. Not only that, he can eat so many burgers and pizzas at a time that it will blow anyone's mind. He even participates in food competitions at different restaurants. Once, he was given a challenge to eat 3 burgers, 1 order of fries, and a milkshake, and he finished all of that in just 15 minutes. He even ate a 6-kilogram burger in one sitting and shocked everyone. This bodybuilder loves fast food and also enjoys Punjabi, Chinese, and Greek cuisines. There's hardly anyone in the world who can eat like this. He loves to eat biryani, noodles, fried chicken, burgers, pizzas, and boiled eggs. In one of his videos, he finished 50 boiled eggs in one go, but still, looking at his face, it feels like there is nothing to eat at home. This guy can finish both traditional and fast food without even burping. It's truly unbelievable. Number 8, Bharat Eating Show, the fast food speedster. This person you are watching, his name is Bharat, and he is one of the biggest foodies in the world who eats food not only in large quantities, but also at an incredible speed. He is an Indian fast food eater and uploads his eating videos on YouTube. You won't believe it, but he finished the world's largest sandwich in just 10 minutes. Not only this, but he also finished a sandwich with 100 layers in just 4 minutes. It's so heavy, but he finished it so easily, it's like he's come from another world. Looking at him, it seems like his family only feeds him once a week. Even after eating so much, his stomach still doesn't show any signs of being full. We have no idea where all the food goes. That is all for today, guys.